Today I introducing you about the 12 morning massage of Diện Chẩn. And first, let me explain you what is the difference. What is the difference of 12 Bùi Của Chau Diện Chẩn morning massage with another face massage that you ever known before? Okay. Why still until now one professor Vietnamese professor, he confident just to submit like a morning massage, a technique just to have for well-being only do by hands. He invented this since 1983. Until now, thousands and thousands of people do it every day. And one of lady, she is director of a publisher in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh City. She is the when I just came to her office, and I give her a book, a draft of Diện Chẩn ABC book, his book, and he ignored it. He don't want to read it. See, and after 3 months, I received her call, and she said that come to see her. And I said yes, I will. Give me appointment. And then she don't let me put up the telephone. She told me, I read for quite full time. I read from the beginning to the end of the draft of the book that you gave me. And why until now, why you don't tell me before that it's very, very interesting? I am shocked by this book, because she said that it's giving me a very it's very new, like a very, very totally new for me. And I remember, she said that I remember my mom, she in a rural, in a countryside, she did 12 massage, one technique in this book, quite more than 20 years. And she told me that you do it, my daughter, every day. But she said that I really don't care. And I said maybe she's like a old-fashioned, and she's like out of date already, and I never care about it. But now, because I have so many stress in a modern life, I have to lead. She have to lead a big company of publishing like this, and she said that now I have many health problems, and her skin like a waterless, very dry, and even her eyes very stressful. And he said that I have so many health problems, you know, and no one can help me because I come to doctor, I come to hospital, and they said that you don't have any problem. But I feel my feelings. I know what is my problem. I cannot sleep, and I sleep only 2 hours a day. But when just maybe two or once a year, he visit her mom in a countryside in Vietnam, and all of her memory about her mother is she's healthier, she's stronger than her, she's happier than her, even that, you know. And she said that my mom, her skin she's really better than me, very, very much. And I remember that she did this technique quite a long time ago. Until now, every morning after waking up, she does it every morning after waking up. And then only this. But now I found it in this book. She said that. And one more of my student, she lives in Da Nang, and she is a Western. She is doctor. She worked for international hospital, and my course in Da Nang 2 years ago, and just 2 months before my class in Da Nang, she said that I knew Diện Chẩn 2 months ago, before I met you. And then the first day of the class, she just introduced to me, like you introduced to me, and she said that 2 months ago, one of my friends, she sent me the link of 12 massage, but I didn't open it for quite a long time. And then 2 months ago, I checked again the link, and I started to do. And after the first time I do 12 morning massage, I feel I'm so fresh, like a new one, fresh. And I wake up very easy, not like yesterday or the day before yesterday. I'm very tired and don't wanna leave my bed like that. And then that is the reason why I can do it day by day until now. After 2 months, you know, she got the period again. After 5 years, no period, no monthly period, and she's in the time of really wanna get a baby, one more baby.
5 years no period.
Yeah, 5 years no period. She's 1 year older than you. She was born in 1978. And after 2 months doing 12 morning massage, and get period again. Get monthly period. And she been shocked, and she searched for the course, Diện Chẩn course. And she really wanna learn, very curious about Dien Chan, and I wanna learn. And at that time, just 1 day ago, the course, I found your class information in the internet. And after that, until now, she still keep contact with me. And I will tell you more stories about this doctor, what she always does for the patient when they come in the hospital by Diện Chẩn. Okay, but today is all about 12 massage morning massage. Why we call it morning massage or face massage? Because we do it when we want the effect of fresh, wake up freshly, and it means that even when in the evening, if you really have an urgent job, you have a meeting with an American schedule, you have to talk, you have a meeting, and you need
boost of energy.
Yeah, boost of energy. You wake up, when you're driving, and you're sleepy, you can do some of, not total 12 massage. You do some of to wake you up. Don't feel sleepy anymore. So you do this, okay? And also, when you understand about all the reflection sketches on the maps, you will see the difference of 12 morning massage. So now we start, okay? We together, we do from the first until 12. The first massage is heat up the bum. Let me check your palm before you putting it on your eyes. More. More. Massage more. Or you can make it, you rub your palms stronger until it check my palm.
Very warm.
Make it more, not warm enough. The secret key here is the palm. If it's not hot, you will never see the effect to your eyes. Yes, correct. Again, and put it on your eyes, on your eyes ball. And you see here our bum here and here, how you call, like a heel. Okay, you put this to here, to the eyeball, and make it very, very gently. Don't press, huh? Don't press. It will give own touch. If you do it strongly, it will give the opposite side effect. Opposite effect. It means that if you gently do like this, only let the heat comes in. Okay, so your eyes will become very, very clear. But if you do it, you press it, your eyes will become blur. So gently, please, here. So you do it 1, 2, and 3 times. Just put, rub, make it hot, and put it. Cover your eyes. Second time, cover your eyes. Third time, very hot, huh? Cover your eyes. Okay. How do you feel? Let me know. Leona, how do you feel? Relax. It means you do it correctly. Because some of them just watch the video on YouTube and follow, and then they don't pay attention. You don't attention that you press how hard how strong you apply here, and that's why if you press very strongly, you will not see it clear anymore. Okay, just pay attention on this. And then after that, second massage. Okay, we come to the second massage. We use fingers. Okay, tip of the finger, or we use here. How you call here? Knuckles. Or you use knuckle. Any finger you like, any knuckle you like. Normally I use this, or you can use this. Okay. Anyway, you can find very different way of using knuckles on the YouTube. Okay, and now you learn this, and you have no worry about which one is correct. Okay, anyone, it depends on your comfort. Okay, which one you feel good. And then sometimes I feel when I use knuckle, it's very painful, especially when I have a monthly period. Here, around here, very painful. Why? Because here reflect our ovaries. I show you. So on this day, I use tip of the finger. See, around here is ovary. That's why if someone have a pain here, especially the women that cannot have pregnancy, they have problem here. Here, so many painful points. Yeah, because of ovaries problem. And here, see, around oviducts, here eyebrow. So for the second, this is for the first reflection map, you find eyebrow is the arm, reflect the arm, and this is the second one. You see, show you the eyebrow is not only the arm, but this is the second we call multi-reflexology is here. Okay, the arm reflect the oviduct.
Does it also reflect to men genital?
Yes, correct here.
Oh,
right? Okay, for men, it's how you call it?
Testicles.
Yes, testicle. So that's why when you do the second massage, you do here. Okay, we tap over the eye.
Is it
Tap.
like this?
No, you tap like this. You tap or you tap like this. Okay, same. But the purpose here is you find any sensitive point. Sensitive here is more painful, or it's very special feeling, give you special feeling. Like normally it's painful, more painful. So if here pain, the most painful here. So we stimulate here more than the other sides.
Does it mean we have to press even more?
Not press, but tap.
Just tap.
Yeah, tap. Normally we apply 30 times tapping on the sensitive point. Okay, if you do like this, you feel every point around here, around the zone, is the same. So we do like this 3 or 5 times, enough. Okay, you don't find any sensitive point, so you do same. Your massage the same. We do like this, or the tap is the same. Give stimulation. That is all. This is from the first and the second massage. Do you find difference between another massage?
You mean different with the first one?
No, difference with other massage in the world. They do many massage, and they do also the same like this. But when they do here, they only know it's good for eyes, or it's good for the skin here, for the skin that they are stimulating on. They don't know what is any more, but you know more.
So if let's say they have a sensitive point around here, does it mean they have problems with their ovary?
Yes, that is the problem. That is the point.
How can we know something? Because this one
okay,
also related to
like this. We are not the one who know exactly what and where is the problem. It may be eyebrow. It may be the problem of eyes. If the sign is weak, it means they are like a short-sighted, or the sight is weak. Okay, the problem with the eyes. Also here have a sensitive point. Or someone they don't have, the eyes, the sight is very good, normal. But maybe they are in period problem, or they have any inflammation. Okay, it's also send the signal here. It means that here we call eye. We can say that it's good for eyes. We also can say that it's good for ovaries. And also when we massage here, it's good for that. And also we can diagnose what people can have if they pain here. As I say, maybe problem for eyes, in the eyes. If not, problem maybe here for their arms. Only they know. But you have them find where. You can ask them. And then, of course, we limit the zone. We don't know where, but we know really which part of the body related to the eyebrow or this sensitive point. Or if not the pain, they don't have any pain at arms or eyes. Eyes good, arms okay. So you ask more if your monthly period is normal, or you have this disorder. So they will tell you what's the problem. You just know, you just limit the parts. Understand? You got it? Yeah, that is interesting of this. But you will not, if you don't learn this, you don't know anything, right?
Yeah.
But now we know it. Or sometimes people, if the patient is man, you can ask them if they have pain here. Also eyes. First is eyes. Firstly, always the direct part, and then other part outside the body, and then internal organs. Yes, we diagnose step by step like that. We ask them, or maybe for the first already correct, so you can. And one more thing for prevention, like if you find here, but yourself you don't have any disorder inside your body, but it's send a signal before it happens, before the disease comes. So when you do here, you tapping here, it means that you prevent it comes before it comes. First day and second day, maybe the third day, you don't find here pain anymore. That is the purpose of doing daily massage. Okay? Okay, so can we move to the third? You understand here? Arms, ovary, and for the man is testicle around here. And the third massage is what? We massage both sides of the face except the nose. And we do like this, and for this massage, the third step, just pay attention on the if for the high blood pressure. Okay, we do this side. Okay, we do this side is less gentle here, like this one. Let me explain. From up to above, okay, it means downward is suitable for the high blood pressure.
Okay, that means that put more pressure when you go down, is it?
Yeah, like that. And for the low blood pressure, straight,
put more pressure
straight
on
up. Yes. Only the direction. Just pay attention on the direction for the third step. And for the one who have a normal blood pressure, you do the same direction and same pressure, up and down, same. Okay. And the purpose of this step is make the blood circulation over the face. Over the face, it means that all over the body. And for someone has the problem with the blood pressure, they use this step to improve the blood pressure, just to make it balance again. For low blood pressure, remember to make stronger pressure when you go up. Okay, and gently down and up, stronger, and gently down. And when your skin become red, and you can move to the next step. And here someone will ask why you don't give exact how many times for each step. Let me explain. It depends. It depends on each individual. Someone just 5 times already become red, and you can see the blood circulate very fast under your skin. But for someone 30 times, until 30 times, they have that feeling. So it means that it depends on each individual. We have general technique, we don't have general number of times for everyone, because everyone is different. We're unique, we're not the same. So if you see a group of big people outside on the park, everyone do the same exercise. but not everyone have the good feeling, good health, right? Someone they feel they can follow the exercise, someone they cannot. Like yoga also same. If someone they try, if someone have to try to follow something, it means that they will exhausted. They will feel exhausted. So that is the way of listening to your body. Don't try to do something, because the try, it means when it comes to exhausted very fast. Just listen, huh? Listen and follow what your body tells you. I don't know how when you instruct yoga for people. Also
your
same.
body, don't follow others.
Yeah.
Follow your body.
Yeah. We just show the technique. And you are the one who decided how many times and how strong and how hard and how long for this position or for this technique. Okay, you get here? Okay.
Very relaxing. I feel sleepy already.
What?
Very relaxing.
Really?
I feel sleepy.
Okay, so after the step 3, you try to do every step. Later I check again. 12 massage. And the step 4, massage over the mouth. We try to use both hands. And when we do this 12 morning exercise, when we just wake up, we're still on the bed. We're still on the bed. At that time, we don't have lipstick.
Yeah.
So we do massage over the lips also. Okay. Can you explain why we massage over the lips? Nói.
It means if you want your
Vagina.
pink and
Pinker.
tight to
Tighten.
in the same shape. Above with bên dưới behind.
With
Ở trên ở dưới giống nhau ấy.
under and here above.
Under and above the same shape. You can see? You can image?
Yeah. Side.
Yes. In Vietnamese we have a poem. Mồm sao ngao vậy. It means the mouth is the same shape with your.
It's like this.
Last time when we go to the restaurant, I take a picture to show the student the shape. Same. I can show you. Trên trong thực tập.
Can I say the mouth is same shape with your genital organ, is it? How about men?
Not men.
Not men.
This is female. Female. Female.
Okay. It means only for the vagina part.
Yes, vagina part.
Okay, you see.
This one, okay.
Có gì nữa không em?
Có. Amazing. Amazing.
This one is oyster.
Yes.
How you massage?
So we do it. Okay. We massage maybe 10 times each hand. 10 times each hand. We do from here
And
here.
it means you can see how a woman hair through the lip.
How?
If the lip pink, a natural color, it means she's strong. But if the lip dry, have a màu thâm á.
Dark color.
Dark color, it means maybe
The lips.
her heart has some problem
That means her genital part
Yeah.
has some problems. Yeah.
Many information through your lip.
From here, from ear.
Yeah, here.
Oh, we must touch the earlobe.
Here, just touch the earlobe. And then do here. And also on the intestine, large intestine and small intestine, also around the mouth. So when we do the step 4, it's also good for digestion. See, digestion. Around here. Around here also, for someone have a problem with urinary.
Oh, urinary bladder.
Yeah, so number 10. It's like someone
Or maybe men who have prostate problem.
also. Someone is maximum the prostate. You see up here the chin. The skin here is very hard, and very different with the skin next to. Some here very soft, the skin very soft, but here at the chin, the prostate reflection, it's really hard. It's very different, with the other part of the skin.
Is this one same?
I think it's the same.
This one when I do, I feel like more energy.
Yes, because here is digestion, and when you doing here, it means that you all the abdominal, all the parts in the inside abdominal is make it move, digestion fast, quick, and you warm up the abdominal here, only here. And for someone have a monthly period, like a menstruation pain, can do it every morning.
Or how about when they're having menstruation, can do? Or before menstruation?
Before, do it every day.
Menstruation, don't do this one.
Do.
Still can do.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Is there for menstruation period pain? Then try to do it every day before.
For someone have menstruation pain, and when they do it, no more pain. When the periods come, no more pain. It's like this. And it even improves the blood quality. For someone, when periods come, the blood is black, and it comes like it's not fresh. It's not the color is not red, fresh red, but it's black, and it's like a not good one, not good. Not flow like a normal. It also improves all these things. But make sure it only have good effects. It only effective when you do it like a daily. Do it daily. For example, now you just start this exercise, so you do it in a month, and then you can stop it. You can stop it 7 or 10 days, and then you do it again. Just make a rhythm. Okay, but regularly. What is regular? Regularly, it means 7, and you stop some days, and then you do 7 days. Make it rhythm. And then number 5, we massage the nose. Okay, we use 3 fingers from the tip of the nose. We put up to the forehead, to the horizontal line up here, and then also we follow the direction for the high blood pressure and low blood pressure person. And one more thing here, the nose is reflects for female, it's reflex oviduct. Number 2, reflects uterus. The nose reflects uterus, and the man reflects penis. Male, the man, the nose reflects penis. So for the one who have yếu sinh lý là gì nhỉ? I forgot. Here. Impotence. Okay. For the man have impotence, we do not use this direction. We only straight up, massage up only. Okay. And here in Vietnam, so many of students, we learn and we practice and we help others of importance. Just massage only one way. Massage the nose one way, up. Never do down, up only. And then after 3 days, do it 3 times a day. And you know, it's become normal. Just explain to him, show him the picture, and he by himself understand what to do and why he have to do it. Okay, the picture with explanation, and then with his understanding of what he's doing. Not like the doctor just give you the pills, drink or take it and don't explain anything. So your mind, you are not give attention on this, on the action of what you are doing. You don't know. The minds don't know. It means the body and the mind separate. Like that. But here, together, in the same way. So we do it, we practice this, and when we instruct to someone, so make sure that we give them enough full instruction, okay, to let them understand totally. So when they act together, the body, the physical action with the mind comes together, and then it will give the best effect, the best result. It means that mind leads the physic, not vice versa direction. This is very important. Okay, and we next massage. The step 6. We massage the forehead. Also same here. We do both hands. We massage here. It means we remove all the wrinkles, and we stimulate on the memory, because here in front of the forehead, and you know what is inside, behind of the skin of the forehead, and underneath the skin of forehead is what? Is our brain, forehead brain. And here it belongs, it controls the memory. It controls the memory. It controls also our memories, and our nerves. Yeah. Very important here. The main part. And you know, some cases they had hit the accident, and then they forget everything, forget even their life. But when we have them to massage here, and we do with this stick, we call this a stick, or we call detector. detector. We use detector and we do very carefully every line. We massage here every day, and we can wake up the memory. We can make up the memory. Okay. You remember our brain? It has so many wrinkle like this, and we make it and we circulate all. We do outside, but it wake up inside. We do here, we do on the forehead. Forehead's very, very important for the nerve, for the brain, and especially for the one who have a depression and sleepless, and we call insomnia, depression, stress, and many symptoms like that. Here, sometimes we don't need to remember the basic points. You just use this, and you do carefully stimulate all the forehead, and find any sensitive zone or sensitive point. You do it. We will learn how to stimulate. Yeah, exactly how to stimulate to find the shortest way. Yeah? But for the one who don't remember much, just learn to stimulate like a easiest way. Just do like this. We stroke like this. Okay. So the way we massage, we do all, and you see on our hands, it also have up and down and wrinkles. Okay, and here also, and we do both sides. Okay, again and again, backward and forward. It will have a lot on the memory on the forehead. It touch here on the skin. Here, not the skin, but our second brain. Okay, just mind it. So we do it. When we do it, we mind that we wanna improve our brain, our memory. Okay, do like this. That is the difference with other massage. And the step 7. Step 7, we make our fingers V shape like this. Okay, and then we put it around the earlobe, and then we move it and make it here. You feel hot, and then we stop. Make it here, massage here, and then make massage all the earlobes, all the ears. This is also the technique or the way you wake up someone, or if someone like very sleepy, or this is the way when
this one can wake up. This one also. The first 1, 2, 3 is relaxed. This one also will be relaxed.
Relax and boost energy. Wow, good. You listen very good. Yes, and this action, this technique, when someone driving and they feel sleepy, they can use this technique here, and here, and here, like that. And they do. Sometimes they do both hands, or sometimes only one hand. Can make it rub the ears, hot, make it hot. And then you feel fresh. You do by yourself like this. So now we revise from step 1 to step 7. Okay, step 1. Step 1. Remember? Okay. Make the palm hot, and then heat up the eyeball. Heat up the eyeball first. Heat up the eyeball For me, the second time, I feel my eyes like a torch. It's light. It's brighten.
Yes.
Brighten.
Normally, because last time what I did is I press.
Ah.
So it's blur. Yeah, no, I feel the difference. When I don't press, you feel like brighter.
Everyone who just do it, but not yet learning, they will have this mistake. Different, very, very much. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, 3 times and then tapping. The second step, tapping around the eye, find the sensitive point and then press the sensitive point more times.
Is it not step? How about if I do like
Gently, don't do it so strongly. You know, around the eye, the skin is very sensitive, very thin. So don't break it. Okay, very strong. That's why we just gently, enough, and then do it very gently. Otherwise, it will become older before you old. You're getting old. Okay, gently. Before I don't know it, so I do it very strongly. Me too.
better.
Okay, and then the next step 3, we massage both sides of the face. Massage both sides of the face. And what is the step 4? And what is the step 4? 3 and step 4? Yeah, mouth massage. Both hands. Okay. Yeah. It improves the digestion. Yeah. It's also good for the lips. Make it red. If do every day, after 1 year, you don't need to put lipstick. It's natural red color. And not only for this lip, but also lips behind the underwear. Okay. Okay. And also for the one who have a hard chin or thick chin, it's also make it softer. Here is bladder and also prostate. And the number here is number 4. Number 5, nose massage. For female, here is first nose, second back, third oviduct and uterus. So we massage here and then up to forehead, up to the horizontal line, up here. How you call this in English? Hairline. Yes, hairline. Okay. Yes, and after nose massage, we come to the sixth step is forehead massage. And the seven massage, make the hands V shape and then massage the earlobe. Okay, massage the earlobe until it warm, hot. It warm. And what's good for? Ear problem, yes, of course. And then ear, nose and mouth linking together, related together. Good for ear, good for nose and good for mouth. For throat. And problems of sinusitis, rhinitis, sore throat or coughing. Remember, do it more when you get all these problems. Okay. And also here, check for me the number 4 behind you, Leona. Yes. So in front of the ear, reflect something more.
Back.
Yes. Correct. That is exactly what I mean. the back. One more reflection of the back you find in this map. So here also we call sống tai. Tai, sống tai. Again sống. Again sống tai. Thank you em. Thank you. So by looking at all the maps, on the reflection maps, we can find many ways to stimulate.
The last.
Okay, and that is number 7. For number 7, for the ear, here I would like to emphasize this ear lobe, the shape. Okay, you pay attention on the shape of the ears in front. Okay, it's maybe some of you see the shape of the cái bào thai là cái gì ta? The baby, the inside the womb, and the head is under here. Okay, one more thing, and that's why the woman, pregnant woman, can just massage for the baby inside by here, massage here, and talking to the baby, and then someone they said that my baby inside very weak. I don't find they, yeah. Fetus. Someone they said that they don't feel that the baby inside movement, but when after just one time massage here, talk to the baby, amazing, it's amazing. Or immediately after talking and doing massage here, or making this, okay, talking to the baby, the fetus will reply you by the small movement from here. And one more thing, look at the corresponding sketches. You will find the ear correspond to the kidney, and the figure number 54 and 55. Ear, yes, the shape correspond to the kidney and correspond to stomach. In this book don't have these correspond sketches, only reflection. Em lấy cho cô cuốn sách đồng ứng xanh á. I show you one Vietnamese book that have all of these corresponding. Because all we need is pictures, the figures. It shows a lot in the book. And these books show all the pictures. Like this. Okay? Picture says
relate to brain.
Yeah, correct. Like this. And 54 and 55 here. We will say a lot in this book, in the correspond. Ears correspond to the shape of ears correspond to kidney and stomach. And when you massage here, you massage for your stomach and kidney. Both sides. Both sides, yes. And for someone who have a problem, kidney problems, you heat up because the kidneys only love the warmth and the heat. And it's the kidneys are afraid of the cold. And it will become weaker and weaker if the cold is come inside the body. So when someone have problem with the kidney, you use moksa, heat up the ear, in front of the ear. You will feel very fresh,
And that means
energized.
people who have diabetes, is it related to kidney problems?
No, not kidney. No, not kidney.
And the people who have this kidney dialysis,
What's the
using machine to wash their blood. What is it called? Is it related to kidney?
Using the machine to wash
The blood.
the blood?
Because of kidney failure.
I see. Yes, and it wastes a lot of money
Yeah.
to. Yeah, I know. And it's kidneys problem. Yeah. In Vietnam also have a lot of that patient. But in this case, serious case. Serious.
Do other things.
Do, why not? Because it doesn't have any side effect. It's just to make you stronger, just boost the immune system, and gives you more, strengthen you. And of course, in the next lesson, we talk about the food, how it affects, because food is medicine. Everything we eat is medicine. It's like a medicine. We call it. We just borrow the word medicine, just to say everything we have inside. We put in our mouth will affect our blood quality. Okay, so we comes to the step 8, number 8. Number 8, we massage our neck here. Massage here. We use both hands. We do together. Both hands. We massage the neck. You know.
This make the neck longer.
Yeah, and we remove all the wrinkles. Because you can do surgery for the face to make you 80 years old become 60 or 50 years old. But here cannot. No surgery doctor can make here. Yes. Why? You know why? They can do here, but they cannot do here.
Because the skin thinner, much more thin.
Much more. I don't know, but until now, maybe technology developed very fast, but still they cannot fix here. Here we say your true age. And also here, also hands. Right? So this step you mix here, it will make you younger, or you know, and also prevent from the what we call the cancers here.
Throat cancer.
Yeah, throat cancer. Yeah, it prevent thyroid. Yeah, I mean thyroid.
Oh, you mean thyroid?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And sometimes when you wake up and you feel coughing a little bit, and immediately you know this step, you do it, and we avoid become serious. The sore throat becomes serious. Yeah, do it 30 times, or until you feel very hot here. Okay, but don't do it too much. You will make dryness here. Make here dry. Yeah, don't overuse it.
You make the throat feeling dry.
Yes. And number nine, we massage the neck. We use here. We massage here. 15 times and comes here 15 times. And also make sure, so many people have a mistake here because you are great to do more, because you feel when you do here you feel very relaxed, and you feel I love to do here. I feel I'm so in very comfortable when you massage here. But please don't do it too much, because when you overdo here, it's from no pain becomes stiffness. So every time you do every step, just keep it in how to say enough balance. Don't do too less or don't do too much. It means that once you feel it a little bit hot, it means it warm enough, you stop. Don't do it more.
So 15 times one hand,
and another hand. Yeah. Just for example, for my case, for my body, okay. So massage here. You know why here and here we do in front and behind, both neck and neck. Here, this part of the body, so important. It's like the neck is like a bridge. It connects from our brain, okay. The main part of the body here is like a CPU here, to all the movement on the arms, the legs, the hands, and even it leads the blood from the highest part to the lowest part of the toes of the body. See? So if here stuck, if here cannot circulate, so how can the blood goes down? And then of course it will comes to problem at the leg and at the arms. And when people have the pain here, or cannot move, or stiffness if on any fingers, you treat directly on the fingers, and also at the same time you have to treat here.
The ring finger, you mean only the ring
any
finger?
fingers, any
Oh,
finger.
any finger.
I mean any problems on the arms until the fingers and the root cause here, maybe because here the blood
Yes.
have stuck here, so the blood cannot go down here.
The back of the neck. Or both.
Normally here.
Is there any any related to people who have in this one flat neck?
Flat neck.
People who are
I just found they have like a swollen here, not the flat neck.
of neck.
Same, have both cases. Swollen sometimes at the C4, sometimes at the C6, 7. You know, cervical 6, cervical 7 sometimes.
So they normally have problems here or with the legs, arms.
For 7 of cervical, okay, 7 discs of cervical from C1 to C7. It controls the movement of the arms. And from the T1 to T12, and okay, it's em lấy cho cô cái sơ đồ nốt ra, cô giải thích cho bạn cho rõ. And from the L1 to L5, it controls the movement of the legs.
Bottom part.
Yet bottom part. That's why if you have any problem of bottom parts, remember to stimulate here. Yes. It's like this. When you check here, you see, if here has problem, it will affect to all this part, the same color. And if you have problem here, you You see, from L1 to L5. L1 to L5 here, in front. Part of the body. And if sacrum from S1 to S5, S1, S2, like here, problems here, okay, it when affects the behind.
From buttock to back of the
Yes. And this toe only. You just take it, this one. We have here.
okay.
We have. Don't worry. See, it shows you everything on the pictures easily. See the color, and you will know if you have problems here in the T10. Okay, it means that it's indigestion. It's the abdominals. The effects on the digestion, intestine. And T10 is across the navel. Oh, we are talking about massage. Face massage, not this one. Okay. But anyway, it gives you an overview about this. Why here is very important. Okay. Okay. And then we comes to step 11. Step 11.
Number 10.
Number 10, okay. Number 10, we comb the head skin. Comb the head skin. If I don't say anything, you also still can do it. But please make sure you do it thoroughly. Like when you imagine you are gardener. Okay, you are a gardener, and you use the comb, the raker. Okay, you rake this line, keep it this line 10 times. Okay, 10 times. Make sure every zone or every part of this skin, of the head skin, you go over. Okay, 10 lines, and then then the next line. Okay, both sides. So also you do maybe rake 10 times. Okay, make sure on your fingertips, on the head skin, goes on the surface of head skin, touch the surface of head skin. Okay, and then next, so all over the head skin, make sure you touch on. And then from behind, make it inside. Okay.
So there's one
Hairline.
There's
Yes.
3, and then
From here, do like this. Okay. Because here yang compensate is yang, and this plexus is yin.
Okay. So which one is yang?
Yang, it means you go inside.
Okay.
Okay. Like a condensed inside. Because this is very important, so I draw it here. Just imagine, and if the arrow comes in, how do you think? This is yang effect. Yang effect comes in. Em tra chỉ chữ tụ lại, thu gọn lại. And same, but the direction of the arrow is like this. Comes out. Okay? Come out. So here is yin effect. Condense. Được. condense. Right? You know this word? Em tra cái kia đi, tản ra.
Spread.
Like a concentrate.
You mean this one is
Spread.
Spread out. Nó có một cái từ khác là dissipate. Dissipate. D-E-S-S-E-P-A-T-E. E. Dissipate. Yes, yes, correct. Dissipate. You know this one?
dissipate.
Condense and dissipate.
So yin is how the yin? Yin is the
Yin,
you mean the yang effect is like this, right?
For this one, we just understand this theory first, because we use it for many in many ways of stimulation, not only rec. Like if you consider here is the center, like here is the center. Okay, the top of the head is the center. So if you want to do yang or you want to do yin, you do it the same direction like this. Or we have the raker, but when we do with the hands, we only do this way. We cannot do like this. But đưa cô cái cào. But when we have the raker, you can see it's very easy. We have a raker. I am a gardener. Okay, I do gardening.
Yeah.
So with the rakers, you come here. I do for you. Okay, with the rakers. So we do like this. Huh? We do like this.
I know it by comment.
And like this. It's yang effect, right? How do you feel?
Very nice.
And just make sure to repeat many times. It can give a different effect with a few, and then you move to another line. Move to another line, right? You keep it enough times in the same lines. Okay, and also if you consider nose, okay, nose is the center. Okay. We always have something we consider as the center, so we can other direction this condense or dissipate. It depends on the center where we choose, or like this. Here is your face, and if you want to make the yang effect, you do like this. You do like this, right? Understand? Okay, and if you do other side, do like this. Get out, right? Your skin was so beautiful, huh? So which you are the one who understand, who feel which side you feel better. When I do for you, which side you feel better? Let me know. Huh? Yin side, like this. See, always you can choose which one is the better. Cái này hay không ơi? Yeah. See.
So we can say people have hip problems, We can do it.
Yes, correct. Correct. Yes, like this. Okay. And for the small part, okay, we go with the small recur, like here. We cannot do the big one. We do here, like this, and then like this, right? And here also, you see, the small recur. I love it very much. This one, we can do many things with this both side recur, and also here.
Feeling so nice.
Really? Yes. Yeah, also here. Okay? Okay. Thank you. How do you feel?
Very nice. Sleepy. Love like.
Really?
But this one is for what? This one?
Here? You remember, just check this figure. Check video. Yes. Here, the left side is stomach, and the 11 is pancreas. And the number 3 on the right side, the liver.
So this one is liver, right? So this one is
Correct. Liver and gallbladder. See, huh? Okay. And then 11, step 11. Bao nhiêu, how many?
Cái 11 là cái này rồi.
Bao nhiêu dài rồi?
Hơn 1 tiếng rồi.
Hơn 1 tiếng rồi. And then 11 step, huh? 11 step. We do like this. We cover the earlobe, and then use 10 fingers and drum. Okay. When you talk, you can hear your voice like a normal. Just say out loud your name.
hello.
My name.
Hello, Thao.
Thảo ơi. Thảo ơi. Say.
Hello.
Okay. How do you feel? You can hear you totally? A little bit different, huh?
Yes.
So it means you do correctly.
So you
Do
want
it.
the
Whoa. Yes. It means that you also you touch the brain. This is really helpful for the case of deaf and improve the hear loss. Hear loss, yes.
How about tinnitus?
Both. This one and this one. Both.
Anything related to ear, just hear and then
The step 7 and step 11. Both. On the heart, make all the parts of the face fast movement, and make it hot. So it depends. It belongs to yin or yang. Yang. But the last step, the step 12. Okay, step 12. Open. Is chatter teeth and twist the tongue.
I thought step 12 is just smiling.
Is that smiling? Yes, smile.
It's smiling. Is it? Oh,
Chatter teeth means you tap upper and lower teeth, front teeth first, and then here jawline. 30 times each.
So you try to like the tip of the teeth, is it?
Yes, correct. Tip of the teeth. Chatter, chatter, and do it. It makes all the teeth tighten. It's good for teeth. If you do it every day, and then when you get old, when we old, here still very strong. And then one more thing is one more action in this 12 step 12 is we use the tongue. We twist around the mouth, up and about, inside, outside of the teeth. For what? Just to make saliva full of our mouth, and then swallow.
Does it matter clockwise or anti-clockwise? No.
Doesn't matter, because the purpose is to make mouth water out. Okay, the mouth full of water, waterless saliva, and this action, this movement we do in the morning when stomach empty. So this liquid, it's not normal, but it's like our self-natural antibody.
You mean before we brush our teeth?
Of course we do before. And it's like this liquid, like a antibody medicine. It cover all your stomach. It pain all your stomach, protect your stomach. For whole day, you eat anything, but it's already protected. And the thing here is, you know, the saliva of, in the morning with stomach empty, it's really good. We use it like a medicine for some, like a mosquito bites you pet it.
Yeah, I saw it.
And you use it for, you know, one of my students, she's 66 years old, and she told me, and she told the class, before she learned Diện Chẩn, she don't know about this, but she already use it when she have a pain at the lower back, and at 3 o'clock in the winter, it's so cold, and she's lazy and scared to just recover the mattress and go out to the toilet or do anything at that time, and she lazy. Because of lazy, she's still lying on the bed, covered by the mattress, very thick in the cold winter, and then just she remember one of her friend told her use like saliva, like a medicine, like a antibody, and then put it on the painful area, and then she did it, and after she really didn't know how long she did, but after just very fast, and 3 a.m. in the morning, in the midnight, do it and then sleep again. At that time, because of the pain, she woke up, and then she put it on the back. It means that it really works. Saliva in the morning before you having breakfast, before you brushing the teeth. And when I learned Dien Chan with Professor Chau, and one more thing we experiment is, it's really also good after for a period of time we do it every day, it become clear and clearer and cleaner. Okay, it means the saliva, and it's like when you practice something for a time. So it's like the quality is enough, good enough. So you can use it to just do like a lotion for the face and for the hands. First, do for the hand first, hand and legs and the foot, and you feel that it's really good. You don't need any lotion anymore. So you use it for the face. Yes. Maybe. No smelly at all. Because it also, you know, improve the smell in the morning. You feel if you don't brush the teeth, you don't feel confident to go out. But this, you know, improve everything. Also bring out the bad smell in the morning. That is really true, because me and many of my students do it every day. And you do a morning massage, and you do the 12, the step 12.
Yes.
Okay, swallow the saliva every morning before having breakfast. Em nuốt nước miếng á. And how do you feel about the smell? Good?
I think it's
Before
good and thơm, không bị cái mùi hôi á.
perfume?
Yes.
You mean that you feel more confident when you go out? You don't need to.
I don't need to
Brushing.
brush my teeth.
How about you, Ngoi? How about you? You do it every day? Swallow the saliva?
Yes. Before I always get blood in my teeth when I brush my teeth. Bleeding. Yeah. But after I do 12 morning massage and do the last one, this case is end.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
You must and then they only do that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The saliva will cover your teeth. Yeah. And it's good for your teeth.
Is it in you know, some of my students for the same lesson like this, and some of them for the beginning, they feel awful. How come brushing teeth, and then they mean that why can people swallow the saliva? They feel it's not nice. It's not good, and they said they can't do it. But after the lesson, I don't do anything. I don't persuade someone to do anything. It's just they really curious. They want to try. And then after the first time, feel the difference. Do it tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning. And do it and mind it. When you do it, you mind it. You know what you're doing. Just it. Don't need anything. Okay? You understand what you're doing. And that is my lesson for the 12 morning massage. Bùi Quốc Châu morning massage. And let me ask you which step do you like most?
And the message here is don't waste your natural antibiotic.
Yeah. Which
one?
Yeah.
Warm up the eye.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one also feel very good.
Yeah. The step 1 and 2.
Step 1 and 2.
Good for female. Good for male also. For the endocrine system.
And then this one, the ear.
Okay. 7.
Yes.
Step 7.
Here.
And
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know because I haven't really tried.
Okay.
And then this
Wait.
one, the
Mm-hmm.
combing.
Comb the hair.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's part.
I think almost you like most of the steps, right?
Unless this one, because this one.
Boost the energy.
No, the mouth, pulling up your lips. I have to try. I need to try first.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. And I always tell the students that nothing compares with the practicing. Practice every day, and then after that, answer me and reply it to me. And your practicing is you can get the result after you practice. But if not, no one can say anything. When the next lesson, okay, the next class, students come, and then I ask how is the result, And if you don't do it, you cannot say anything, just keep quiet. And okay, so practicing is the best way. That's just to remember and to have the result, the good result for yourself. Do it for yourself. So action. Thank you very much for just follow me from the first step until now 12 step. And one more thing, we professor always instruct morning exercise, and he asked to do the to evening exercise. Evening, if you want to have a good sleep, so you rub. No, nói ngắn thôi mà. Okay, we do the evening exercise. We rub our foot palm. Yeah, make it. Yeah, yes, make it hot. This is our foot, huh? Make it hot. Just few, 10 or 15 times. Rub it until it's hot, and then you sleep. And keep it like your habit. Do it every night, okay, before you're sleeping, and you will have a good health. Thank you for listening. Yeah, happy.